Hey, so we're over here at one of our customers' houses. Quick little walkthrough of what we're doing. So all this is gonna be artificial turf. So there's a couple bellies in here. I'm gonna take the skid steer and I'm gonna level out the grade. We're gonna put about 2 to 3 inches of crush down with a little fall towards the house, where there's gonna be a French drain right along this side. This is our little belly area. We're gonna drop down level with this grade. When we come in with our crush, we're gonna have about a 1-inch fall, which will go to the French drain, which will drain out towards the backyard. Then hopefully tomorrow when we come back, we'll be able to lay down our turf through here, so that way the dogs have a nice clean area to run around and do their business on.